Bengaluru has witnessed two Bandhs in 1 week. One was on September 26th, which was a citywide Bandh, while the other was a statewide Karnataka Bandh. This has hugely impacted the citizens and the revenue, incurring a huge loss. As the businesses, hawkers, restaurants, and transportation were shut down, a loss of approximately 4,000 to 5,000 crores has been incurred. We spoke to financial expert C.A. Rudramurthy. Let's see what he has to say.
Abu, the loss for the entire 2 days of Bandh, that is today as well as what is called on this week, Friday too, is estimated to be about 4,000 to 5,000 crore. So this entire Bandh is just taking away revenue of lot of small traders and also the state government revenue, whatever it collects in the form of the GST as well as even the excise, whatever is collected by state, even there is a loss there. So all put together for both the Bandhs, that is today as well as Friday, the total estimated loss is anywhere about 4,000 to 5,000 crore for these 2 days of Bandh.